So here I am, my first day in Baltimore, and it's raining like hell. On my way to the Babe Ruth Museum. Now I'm on the corner of Paca and Cider, and I believe the Babe Ruth Museum is just a few more blocks to the south. And a block or two to the west, but I'll wait for the rain to ease down a little bit and just chill for a while. Hopefully the rain will ease up soon. Sure is a pain in the ass. Every time there's thunder, that car alarm goes off. You can't see it, but behind these trees is Camden Yard. Oil sleigh right there. But you can see some people selling shit right here. I think that's one of the gates to the Camden Yard. It stopped raining a little bit, so I decided to walk a few blocks. And it started to come down hard again, like you can see. So I found some more shelter. Got pretty wet. Talked to a crazy lady for a while. If she left, comes back, I might get on film. Only a couple blocks from the Babe Ruth Museum. It's only about a block from where I am, I bet. That's just right around the corner. Just in this direction.